How do I read conference tweets if I'm not on Twitter? Is that even possible? It sure is. In fact, it's pretty easy. If you've been to a conference lately, you've probably heard people talking about tweeting the conference and the conference hashtag. Now, you may not know what it means, but you may have heard people talking about things they're sending out. Best quotes, citations to things mentioned in the sessions, other resources that might be handy. And you think, it would be great to read those for myself, but I don't have a Twitter feed. Can I do it? You sure can. The first thing you need to know is about the hashtag. Each conference will have their own, and normally you can find that information with the conference registration information. Technically, a hashtag is this little mark here at the beginning that looks like a tic-tac-toe board, but when people talk about it on Twitter, they mean the whole code, which is important because you can use this as a subject heading, and if you do a search on Twitter, it will pull up every tweet that has that same hashtag, and that means all the tweets for the conference. And we're going to do that not by going to twitter.com, but by finding a Twitter feed page and searching from there. Twitter.com is a great place to go if you want to start an account, but not a good place if all you're trying to do is read a feed. Instead, go to the home page of the organization hosting the conference or another organization that you know about that definitely has a Twitter feed and look for a place to click to get to it. Now, this is the old Twitter symbol with the T, and if you click on that, it will bring up their Twitter feed page. You might also see organizations that have a box instead with this little picture of a bird, which is the more current Twitter logo, but it works exactly the same way. You click on it and it brings up that organization's Twitter feed page. Sometimes you have to dig a little deeper. For example, on the ILA page, you have to scroll all the way down to the bottom, find where it says ILA on Twitter, click on the handle or their Twitter name, and then click on it again up here, and now we're still back to the Twitter feed page. Now you'll notice on all of these, they will have a search box here at the top, and that's important because what you want to do is type in the hashtag, and the one I'm going to type in is for the Iowa Library Association conference that just finished fairly recently, so we should be able to easily find some tweets. Now the next thing to notice here is there's a thing here that says top and a thing that says all. Now the top ones are the ones with the most activity. All brings up a reverse chronological order of all the tweets, but they are right here. All the links work. You can find out what they're saying about the conference, any citations that they might want to add, anything like that from anybody who tweeted about the conference and used that hashtag. It's a powerful tool, and I hope that you will be using it soon. So the next time you're actually at a conference, or even just hear about one, find out what the conference hashtag is, and even if you aren't on Twitter yourself, you can get all the inside information, and I think you're going to find it a lot of fun.